Welcome back. Today, we're moving beyond writing simple text commands that run once and quit. We're going to engineer a fully interactive, playable game from scratch. This is the final result. The computer generates a secret number, waits for your input, and responds dynamically. It provides constant feedback, telling you to aim higher or lower until you successfully identify the target. Before we start, make sure you have your Python editor open. We'll be building on the input and print functions we used in the last lesson, so have those ready. Video games are essentially sequences of logic and decisions. By building this project, you're moving from typing lines of code to designing an interactive experience for a user. The Number Guesser project is designed specifically to show you how two concepts work together: decisions and loops. A computer needs specific rules to know how to react to different situations. This is called conditional logic. You use this logic every day. If it's raining, you play home. Otherwise, go to the park. We translate that into Python using if and else. Take note of the syntax. Every condition must end with a colon, followed by indented code. Beginner programs often fail because of two small mistakes: forgetting that colon at the end of the statement or misaligning the four-space indentation. Check these every time you write a new condition. These conditional statements act as the brain of the game, allowing the program to evaluate data and choose which path to take. If we only used conditionals, the game would check one guess and immediately stop. To give a player 10 chances, you'd have to manually copy and paste your code 10 times. A while loop solves this. It's a mechanism that repeats a block of code continuously until a specific condition, like running out of guesses, is finally met. To start, we'll create a variable called chances. We tell the loop to keep running as long as the player has guesses remaining in that variable. Every time the player makes a guess, the program must subtract 1 from the total chances. If you forget to subtract that chance, the condition will never change. The computer will keep running the code forever in an infinite loop, which will cause your program to freeze. While conditionals are the brain, the while loop is the engine, the system that keeps the game running until the player either wins or loses. Now we're going to assemble the final script by dropping our decision-making logic inside our loop engine. Start by importing the random module. We'll use this to tell the computer to choose a secret number between 1 and 100 before the first guess is even made. Now define the maximum number of chances and open your main while loop. We place the player input mechanism inside the loop. This ensures the game asks for a new guess every time the loop rotates. Immediately after the input is received, subtract 1 from the chances variable. Now nest your if, elif, else logic inside that loop. This evaluates the guess and prints the too high or too low hints. Finally, add a break command inside the winning condition. This tells Python to stop the loop immediately if the player guesses correctly before their chances are gone. This structural pattern, nesting decision-making logic inside a repeating engine, is a standard way to organize code for complex tasks. Save your file and run it in your terminal. It's time to playtest. Try guessing incorrectly on purpose. If the code is correct, the nested logic will return the too high or too low feedback and tell you exactly how many chances you have left. Now enter the correct number. You should see the victory message and the program should exit immediately as the loop breaks. To take this further, try adding easy and hard difficulty levels. You can do this by changing the starting variable for the number of chances and the range of the secret number. Mastering how code branches and repeats allows you to build much more complex logic. In the next lesson, we'll see how to make these systems reusable by using functions. Keep coding.